Yeah, I'm really, really impressed with what developers are doing right now in this market. It's really impressive. Developers are really, really upping their game. Mombasa is experiencing a serious, competition when it comes to a high quality supply of real estate. And where I am right now, this is a development that has 1, 2, and 3 bedroom. This is a 1 bedroom. The good thing about this development is it enjoys an infinity edge swimming pool on the rooftop. It also enjoys proximity to the ocean. It's on the 2nd row. It has all the amenities. This is the perfect place to buy a property for, say, service accommodation, Airbnb, a 2nd or 3rd home. Maybe say a place you can hide for like a weekend. This is a place to buy a home, like a 1 bedroom for you and your partner. If you're fed up with the kids at home, you can take, a vacation here for like 3 days or 2 days. And this becomes a nest for like 2 or 3 days. When you're out, you rent it out. And everyone is doing that. That's why I said it's smart enough to venture into this market to give our clients options to diversify the portfolio. And this is a perfect option to diversify your portfolio. Let's go around, get to see what this 1 bedroom has to offer. Amazing. All right, most of you are asking, Boris, where are you these days? Come on. I'm in Nyali, Mombasa, in a 1 bedroom, 850 square feet. And most of you have said, Boris, you know what? I want to try something in Mombasa. And I said, look, ask no further. I'll fly all the way to Mombasa to get you options. As a matter of fact, I'm just opening a new office in Mombasa. And this looks really interesting. And I got a chance to show you 1 bedroom, 850 square feet. It's selling from 7.5 million. Price will change depending on the floor you pick. And this becomes your kitchen. It's an open concept kitchen. It's airy, it's trendy, it's modern. Look at that. You get a provision for your fridge. You get all these beautiful countertops that matches nicely with the cabinetry. Cabinetry down and up, glossy and matte. You also get what? A 4-burner cooker and all this as is. That is a glass cabinetry, a stainless sink, as you can see. The tiles on the floor, amazing, beautiful. I do like the contrast in between this and the other one. I'll shift into your beautiful lounge. Come on. You've bought Nairobi, you've bought KSH, you've bought Kilimani, you've bought Lavington, you've bought Westlands, Riverside. You also need to buy Mombasa. And Nyali is the best option for you. Why? There's a lot of demand for properties in this area. It's close to CBD. This is just a stone throw away from the ocean. In fact, it's on the 2nd row of the beach. This is 2nd row. And the closer you are to the ocean, the more desirable, the more appreciation, the more demand the property has. So this becomes your lounge. It fits a 3 and a 1, like 4 or 5 seaters can fit here comfortably. Your TV sits on this other side, a balcony on the other side. It's a sunken balcony. It's perforated. Air flows inside nicely. Huge windows. I do like what I'm seeing right now. I'm really, really impressed. And I also like that detail on the ceiling, that recessed lighting, brightening all this experience here. It's something I love a lot about this 1 bedroom. But then, that is not all. Here is the main entrance. It's still a hardwood door. On the left-hand side, it's your washroom, just in front of the door. All this is space to walk around. And this is nicely done. It's glossy, it's beautiful, it's sexy. I love it. Look at that. Sink, toilet, hangs on the wall, bidet, shower cubicle. Amazing. Look at that. Very high ceiling. And mostly you also have this as your frosted door. Easy to clean, as I've always mentioned. The tile rack is over there. You also get a placement for your, diffuser in the washroom, blah, blah, blah. You put them here. And the size of the vanity is significant. I do like it. A smart mirror, of course, illuminates as usual. Amazing. I'm really, really impressed. You also get a water heater up there. Amazing. Come this way. This becomes your bedroom area. It's spacious. It's airy. It has a closet on this side. I love the closet. It's gray and black, high ceilings, beautiful door. All that for your bed sits on the other side. Wall scones, a window on this side, a front unit in front of me, a sunken balcony, huge enough to accommodate the two of you or one of you. A nook for your chair just to beautify that corner. It's in the market, as I've mentioned before, from 7.5 million. And guys are scrambling for this project. I'm almost sold out. In case you're interested, that number has always been on that screen for the past 6 years. And most of you are just watching, you don't know how to start. The only way to start is to press 0792-530-530. Don't talk to me anymore. I will see you on the next episode. Ciao, guys.